Hello, let's do the New York Times Hard Sudoku for February 6, 2024. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. All right, I'm seeing these two sevens looking into this box. This 7 looks up, so there's a 7 in one of these two. I have these two 2s look into this box. This 2 looks up, that places this 2. Any other repeats here? All right, anything looking up? Oh, we have two 9s looking up into this box. Not what I was looking for, but easy to see. So that places a 9 in this box, the only place in the box for 9, and now that places the 7, only place in the box for 7. Anything look into here of interest? 5, 9, 4. 4 looks in, so 4 is in one of these two. Nothing else. What did I get here? The 9. Does that do anything? 9's in one of these two cells. So these 9s look into here, putting a 9 in one of these two. That was a crossing on this 7-2 here. Speaking of crossings, okay, we have a crossing with the 1 and 6 on this 2-4. If you want to know how I spotted that so fast, let me explain. So if you have two givens in a box that share a column, in this case, there's going to be one row that they don't occupy. In this case, this row. There's also going to be two columns they don't occupy. What you're looking for are repeated givens between this row and one of these two columns that are not already in the box. So if you want, you can restrict this to just the givens, and then remove the 2, remove the 4. So in this case, we're looking for repeat 1s or 6s, and we have them. So we have a repeat 1 and we have a repeat 6. And so this 1, 6 looks into this box here, and this 1, 6 looks into the box here, and these aren't 1 or 6. The box needs a 1 and a 6 in it, and they can't go in any of these cells. So there's only 2 cells left for 1 and 6. So that is where 1 and 6 go. If I were to try to put this 9 here, for example, well, what did I just do? If I try to put this 9 here, where am I going to put the 1? Okay, well, I can put the 1 here. Okay, now where am I going to put the 6? And the answer is nowhere. I've broken the puzzle. But, okay, so put the 6 here instead. Okay, well, now where am I going to put the 1? Nowhere, right? It's the pigeonhole principle. We have to put 1 and 6 somewhere. We need two holes to put them in. So we need 2 cells for the 1 and 6. They go there. So this cannot be 9. That places the 9 here. What are the 3 digits left in this box? We need let me think about it. We need 3, 5, and 8. 3, 5, and 8. Okay, this cell sees the 5 and the 8. So this is a -3. And then we are left with 5, 8. That's a pair. So this is going to be a triple. What's it going to be? 3, 4, 9. That's not a 9. So yeah, no, we know 9's over here. All right, what do we get out of all of this? The 3, the 9. Let me get something. 5, 8 pair, 1, 6 pair. I guess the 1, 6 pair looks down. This one looks up. One's in one of these 3. That's not super exciting. We already have all the 6s vertically. What about, let's just fill these rows. There's only 4 digits left in each row. So here we need 1, 4, 5, and 6. The 5 goes over here. Let's just fill it out. 1, 4, 5, 6. So these aren't 1. That's not 5 or 6. Okay, and then this row we need 1, let's just write it out, 1, 3, 6, and 8. This isn't the 1 or the 8. These aren't 6s. Okay. Well, that wasn't as fruitful as I hoped, but it is marked now. So let's move on to the next band. So we have 2 9s here. So there's a 9 in one of these two. Anything to do with 7s or 3s? 3s have a crossing. So this 3 looks in, this 3 looks up. It's a crossing on this 6, 5. So 3's in one of these two. I suppose we could have gotten that vertically as well, but whatever. Because we already had this 3 also. These 3's looking in. The 9 we got. What are the 4 digits for this box? We need a 1, 2, 4, and 6. Well, that's a 1, 2, 4. So 6 can only go here. Yeah, that's true. So 6 is placed. That puts a 6 in one of these two. Yeah, there's nothing pointing here. Unfortunate. Okay. Looking for more to do here. I think that's it for this band. Let's move on to the next band. We have 2 1s. So 1's one of these 3. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Any crossing? Yeah, this 8 looks in through here. So that puts an 8 in one of these 2. And that's going to point. 8 is in, these line up in this column. So they point up, eliminating 8 from here. So that's not an 8. That's a 5. So that's an 8. That places an 8 in this box. As this 8 looks down, these 8s point up. Very nice. That finishes this cell too. And it is a 2. Okay. Excuse me. There's a 2. Oh, these 2s look in. This 2 looks down. So there's a 2 here. That's not a 2. Places a 2 here. Okay. What did I get? The 8. So 8 is... Oh, 8 is placed. Because we have 4 8s looking into this box. So 8 is placed here. What are we doing on 8s? I feel like we're close. We have 8s in one of these 2. We have 8s in one of these 2. And then we have 8s in one of these 3. Darn. Okay. What else can we do here? 1s, 2s. Oh, I just noticed this 5 looks down and places a 5 in this box. So this is a triple. Looks like it's 7, 8, 9. So this can't be a 9 because of the 7, 8, 9 triple. So this is the 9 for the box. This is going to be a triple as well, and this is going to be a pair. Let's do the pair first. 1 and 7. So we know the order. That's 1, that's 7. And then this triple is 2, 3, 4. Okay, not resolved. But this row is 2, 4, 6. That's not a 2. Okay. What else we got? I was scanning this band. I don't think I finished scanning it. This 2, 9 could have crossings. Just the 7, nope. This 2, 8 could have crossings. So it would be the 4 or the 6 or the 9. 4 or the 6 or the 9. I don't see anything. Okay. I suppose okay, I should scan vertically. We have these 2s. So 2's in one of, oh, 2 is placed. Nice. This 2 looks in, this 2 looks down, this 2 looks in. So that places the 2 and the 6 and the 4 and the 3 and the 2 here. These are down to 1, 3, and 4. Let's see. I got this 2 and 6. What does that do? The 2s aren't super helpful. In fact, 2s are done. Oh, right. The 6, we were actually just looking for a 6. So we now have a crossing on this 2, 8. This 6 looks in, this 6 looks down. That puts a 6 in one of these 2. But this is not a 6. That puts a 6 in one of these 2. I suppose I could fill these. This band is getting very limited, as you can see. We need, for the row, we need 1, 4, 5, and 7. Okay, so this gives us a 4 or 5 pair here. So this is not a 4. So this is a triple left. This is 3, 6, 9. That's not 3. Oh, the 4, 5 also, that looks down. This 4 looks in. So 4 in this box is limited to one of these 2. That's going to point up. This can't be 4. This can't be 4. That can't be 4. So that's a 3, 9 pair. So that gives us the 6 here. Gives us the 1 and the 6. This 4, 5 pair gives us the 1 here. That gives us the 4 and the 1 and the 1. We get the 3 and the 4 here. The 5, 7, and 1. 9 and 3. 4 and 5. 4 here. These aren't 1s. That's not a 3. Okay. Let's take stock here. These aren't 1, 4, obviously. Okay, what's this pair? 1, 2, 3. We need 4 and 7. Not resolved. What's this? 3 or 8? It's not 3. So that's 8. That's 3. That's 8. That places this 8. This is a triple. 1, 2. We need 3, 5, and 6. Okay. How about this triple? We need 3, 5, and 7. This can't be the 5 or 7. So actually this column was done the whole time. All right, that gives us the 5 and the 7 here. This is 6 and 3. This is 9 and 6. This is 7 and 9. This is 4 and 7. That's a 4. That's a 5. And we're done at 9:30. Nice. Key steps to this puzzle. There were a lot of crossings in this puzzle. We had crossings. On this 2-4 crossing here was great. It gave us this hidden 1-6 pair. The 1-6 is here, the 1-6 is here, crossing into here on this 2-4, giving us this hidden 2-1-6. It gave us the 9. It gave us think it gave us this 3 as well in this 5-8 pair. That was huge. We also had crossings on this 2-8, but they were delayed because we had to get this 6 first, and we had to get this 4-5 pair. So the 6, you know what happened is the 6 crossed into here. We got pointing 6s here, which eliminated 6 from this cell, giving us, I didn't have this 4-5 yet, but that is what enabled the 4-5 pair, thinking about it. And then the 4-5 pair looked back down, putting 4s here, which then, that seems like that finished the puzzle. So we also had this 8 looking in, making pointing 8s, which did actually give us this, it resolved this 5-8 pair and gave us this 8. So those seem like the key steps. I'm maybe missing something, but yeah, those are some tough spots. Those are not easy. So let me know how you did on this one. And of course, if you enjoyed it, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.